respectable viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself at the time. All of the supporters and requesting. Some people today have this bathroom of a do. Yeah. So the wall have an accent wall where I use a black tile. So on the other side, right round, as you can see, we're going to use a 12 by 24, which is this style. So that I'm going to use on the other wall then. So this is the feature wall. We're going to use a black tile. Yeah, so that I go all the way right up to where it's the mark there. Just for the first tile in there. Yeah. So it'll come all the way right round. Yeah, the tile now I go join from the corner. Yeah, and finish off it. So we're about to get started if we put in the one tile now. So if we can get up them tile in the meanwhile. Yeah. Alright my people, so right now I'm going to get the first tile. Yeah. So I'm going to put some things at the top. So you know, see some big tile in there, 24 by 48. Yeah, man stuff you put up on the wall.
Brick giant name on it. Brick giant name.
Yeah, but not on the wall. I wouldn't encourage nobody to put them on the wall.
Amen.
They bend, they always bend, so they
Thank you, bossy.
Yeah, man.
Yo, Mr. Man, specialist, do it up so.
So then
we got brick them.
Then you have bad finish.
The middle sink down in and the two edges and up alright.
If I found floor not bad enough.
Yeah, if I found floor not bad.
Yeah, but the wall, you kill it on the wall, man. We not do one work up on the video there. Where somebody started. And then put them on the wall. You know the good thing about the growth, kind of high.
Yeah,
one wall, one tile in, we take up over a mixer, or we take out.
Yeah.
You see when I put it in, you couldn't flush back the can. You see when you rub it on the wall, so. So, you rub it on the wall, man, you couldn't like the feet. So, we always encourage people not to break them.
True.
Because that's always the problem, and then at the end of the day, you are getting blamed. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, like one witch or so. Sometimes when you tell them, man, I explain to them.
Why you strip it them away with?
Right, you have the wedge. When I explain to people and sometimes, no. I'm not taking a talk.
Like this.
Wait.
We have those numbers too. Push you and light.
Last piece. So this is the first time we have one wall to people. So the first people can come. Voilà, Maria. Remember to like, share, and subscribe in the comment section. Yeah. Esperamos move along the way. Alright, as you can see, my people, this wall kind of complete, and now this is the accent wall, with the black tile. So we're going to go right round now with the cream tile. Yeah, so as you can see, the window well center up and thing. Yeah, look at that, center the window. So now we're going to mark out this, get a level line right round. Yeah, I'm going right round with this now. So at the white tile now, I go catch from half of the black. Let's go. Yeah. So as you can see, nice look, decent finish. Yeah. So start the wall now. You'll see him there. Alright, so that's just the first row now. Come around. Yeah. So yes, so my people, this is how far I reach now. Yeah. So as you can see, basically start as a wall. Yeah. So all of them are dropping, so that now just want one more rope, and if you catch up back with this one, so that height that come with right round. Yeah, so I do now, I cut out them tile here, so it's one tile. Yeah, and just say we can drop it, come right round, Yeah, so that's basically what I do right now. Yeah, so finish this wall. Yeah, then start that one. I already have my level line right round. So catch this come right round. Yeah, right there.
some time at the morning now. Yes, as you can see now, we drop some tile. It's not some nice tile on the wall, no picture. You know, it's a good combination. Black accent wall and this one. Really good combination. So as you can see, my people, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. So you know, say wash up the bathroom an idea.
So basically now we want just like a box of tile to finish. So tile run out. So basically we want just a box of tile. So just spin around this and finish. Yeah. So as you can see right now, it basically finished. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. So this is the look at it right now. So this is the accent wall where here with the black tile. This is it. So I'm say basically finished. Yeah. Right up there. Come right round. Yeah, right this way. There's a good look. Nice look, yeah? Yeah, beautiful. So remember to like, share and subscribe. You know, leave a comment in the comment section. And once again, enough respect to all of the supporters, them who support the team. Enough respect. And all to them and all of the new one, them the upcoming supporters, them. Big up on yourself. So as you can see, you just want a box of time to really finish up. Yeah. Nice bottle. Yeah, beautiful. So again, that's an accent wall in it. And as you can see, the window center. Yeah, so you see right there, you can see. Yeah, so we have the shower now to deal with the ledge bill right now. You know, build the ledge and then we can tile the shower. So. Alright, make you as my subscribers. Yeah. So we are basically do with this now. We'll line up the shower button. Yeah, cast it out. Well, as I can see, I already cut it out. So this basically how it cut out. Yeah, just a drop in. Yeah, but because it's so deep. Yeah, because it's so deep, I have to try to get it cast up. So we'll basically do. Yeah. So as you can see. Yeah. So now basically cast it up. You know. Alright, so we do now basically cast out the bottom. So the next move is to just drop in the mosaic there, you know. And a mosaic still a regular tile, but you know, it's like then just patterning like a mosaic. Yeah. So that left it just drop in it, you know. So as I said, this cast up, as you can see it. Yeah. So again, this is how we're gonna drop in it. Yeah, I just have that piece of a cut, never cut it. So you know, yeah, just that piece I have to cut now. So then basically just drop in. Yeah. So when this done, this will look like a mosaic, you know. Yeah. As you can see the wall. Yeah. So it's a nice bathroom. Yeah. So we just run short of a few tiles still. As you can see. Oh, 5 tiles left to go around. But it's shorter. So yeah, we're basically good. You know. Tile put in already. So basically I just the shower now to drop in. Yeah, the is already done, as you can see. Yeah. So this side now tile start dropping out. So as you can see, start putting some tile. Yeah. Alright, tile roll. Yeah. Alright, so this side you know drop in. The only thing left in now have to just grout up. Yeah. As you can see. Yeah, nice shower. Just want to clean up inside and all. Then look on the drain. Everything looks center. Yeah, so as I say, just some growth this one pan here now. Yeah, remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright my people. Leave a comment in the comment section. So bathroom almost, as I say, finished. Just a couple times left to drop in around or so. Yeah. About 5 tiles. And then we do some grouting. When we want to grout up, I hit that. Yeah. So as I said, so we're good to go already. Yeah.